A warm welcome to the capital of Bengal in the ancient and medieval ages, the mango district of Malda. Situated about 330 kilometers from Kolkata, ancient Gaur and Pandua that make up modern-day Malda was not just ruled by the Pala and the Sena dynasties, but also by generations of Delhi Sultanate. A comfortable stay at the Malda Tourist Lodge, complete with all the modern amenities, set out on a mosque and temple hopping tour. Malda's rich historical vibrance gets reflected in the innumerable mosques and temples that stand as a witness to a bygone era. The spectacular gateway of Dakhil Darwaza, made of red bricks and terracotta, is an entrance to the citadel of Lakhnauti and one of the largest unique structures of Sultanate Bengal. One of the oldest mosques of Malda, the Baroduari Mosque, was established in 1526 AD and is one of the largest monuments of Gaur with an unmatched architectural brilliance. Step inside Qadam Rasul Mosque. And as you look up at the sky, a 5-story brick tower catches your attention. This is the famous Firoz Minar, known as the Qutub Minar of Malda, for its special Tughlaqi architecture. Play hide and seek like Nawabs and Begums at the Lukochuri Gate, built by Aurangzeb's brother Shah Shuja. Next would be the Gumti Darwaza, a rare blend of terracotta and brick. Many believe real gold was used in the decoration of this mosque. Chika Mosque, built in 1475 by Sultan Yusuf Shah, was a home to bats and chikas. Malda is not just about mosques. It is also about traditional dance forms. Gambhira is a famous folk form where Shakti worshippers perform a devotional and colorful dance accompanied by instruments. Step into the century-old Johora Kali Mandir, surrounded by mango orchards, and pray to the three-faced goddess Kali. The Chanchul Rajbari, built by Raja Sharat Chandra Rai Bahadur, is a grand palace converted to a college. For wildlife enthusiasts, a visit to the Adina Deer Park 20 kilometers away brings you to the world of migratory birds and spotted deer. Our trip to Malda can never be complete without tasting the delicious mangoes. Known as the mango district of Bengal, Malda produces different varieties of export quality mangoes and mango delicacies like murabba, achar and amshattu. You can pick bamboo pots and other utensils made by Mahali craftsmen as a memento. Or just carry a pack of famous sweets of Malda like kansat or roshokodombo. Jagjibanpur in Malda is one of the intriguing Buddhist excavation sites of West Bengal and is worth a visit by any travel enthusiast. The mammoth 22 Ghazi wall that runs for 22 yards. Built by Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah, it is believed to have served as a protective wall for the kingdom of Gaur. Now let's walk down to Lotan Mosque, one of the most colorful mosques of Malda. Malda also boasts of the largest Islamic monument of Bengal, the Adina Mosque, a blend of Arab, Bengal, Byzantine and Persian architecture. While the Qutub Shahi Mosque was built to pay homage to Saint Nur Qutub ul Alam. Come to Malda, the land of mosques, temples, mango and much more.
Krishna